Hi everyone, I'm finally here with another video. Yay! This one is all about items that I use on a regular basis, whether they are items that I use to pamper myself or just products that I love to use every day. There are things that I'd like to share with you. Okay, first thing on my list of things that I love is lavender linen spray. And I bought this at Home Goods. It was $4.99, but I also see that they sell it at World Market. And what I do is spray it on my bed and my beddings before I go to bed at night, and it smells so good. It's not long lasting, like for hours, but there's nothing like climbing into bed and calming lavender scented bedding every night. I also pour some in a little small spray bottle, and I take it with me whenever I travel. And again, I spray it on my husband's side, my kids, or on the couch in the hotel room, or just wherever I'm at. And it's lovely, and you'd be surprised how it elevates your hotel sleeping experience. So this is my first item, the linen spray, and it's $4.99 for this big bottle, but I think it's a good value and it's wonderful. Okay, so I've crawled into my bed wrapped in lavender scented bedding, and now my head hits my satin pillowcase and I'm in heaven. It's number 2 on my list of things that I love. And if you're that person that just goes to sleep right away when you hit the pillow and then you don't move, you don't wake up till the next morning, you're gonna want this, because I'm that person that goes to sleep and I don't wake up. I know everybody, because once I'm asleep, I am a goner. And then in the morning, I wake up with lines in my face. So I have this satin pillowcase, and it's beautiful. And you don't wake up, even if you do wake up with a little wrinkle, it's not as deep as if you have the cotton pillowcase. It comes with a little zipper so it doesn't slip off in the middle of the night. That would be awful. But it's by Kim Spun, and it just slips on your pillow. I've also taken it when I travel, again, in the hotel room. Lavender spray, silk pillowcase. Just don't forget to take it off the pillow when you leave. And I also read that the silk helps reduce split ends, so there's less friction on the pillowcase. And I don't know how scientific it is, but if it works, I'll take it, because I got long hair and I suffer from split ends. But anyway, I love the satin feel on my face, and I think you should get one, because I pretty much feel like a queen when I wake up in the morning and I put my head to bed. This is perfect. Okay, so have you guys tried this Neutrogena body oil? This has been around for years, and it's a lifesaver. So you guys know, or maybe you don't, I live in Arizona and it's dry all year round. Not in just the winter, but this helps me stay moisturized. After I get out of the shower, I towel dry, and then I use it all over. And a little goes a long way. And you could pay around $10 for this bottle, and it's wonderful. So my husband uses it too. You just put a little bit, and it gets rid of the dryness, the ashiness, and it's a good investment for $10, and you're gonna love this. So try this oil. Okay, here's another product I recently discovered that's pretty amazing, and maybe I'm the last person on the planet to find out about it, but it's called Makeup Eraser. And my girlfriend Kelly is a huge fan of this makeup eraser, and she gifted it to me for Christmas. I'm amazed at how well it works. You just use this super soft cloth and water. That's it. That's all you have to use to remove your makeup. So I wet a section, and then I just wipe all of my makeup off, including my mascara, and it leaves you know, black marks everywhere on here, and I thought, oh, now it's never going to come out of the cloth, but I washed it and it came out perfectly clean. I've been using it since Christmas, so a couple months, and it takes all the makeup off, and it's wonderful. So no more raccoon face for me when I wake up, and you can use it a couple different times. Just toss it in the washing machine, and I also take it when I travel. So it works perfectly, and you know, there's nothing more tragic than waking up on your satin pillowcase with mascara all over it. So use it at night with water, and it works perfectly, and you don't have to use excess chemicals on your eyes. And when you turn 50, like I did, you worry about this stuff now. Am I going to get wrinkles, more wrinkles? How can I reduce the wrinkles? And this is something that you want to get. You won't regret it. And thank you, Kelly, for gifting it to me. Okay, some more things that I love are this wrap and also this robe. And they are both splurges and very indulgent, but believe me, they are worth every cent. I would not steer you wrong. I wouldn't have you buy things that are like hundreds of dollars and they're just not that great. But let me tell you, I was shopping at Nordstrom, and I saw this wrap, and I was just drawn in by its incredible softness. And once I tried it, I was hooked. But the downer was that it was $98, and as much as I wanted it, I walked away and I added it to my thrift store list. So I keep a list of items that I would like to see at a thrift store, hope to see at a thrift store, so that I could buy it at a lower price. So I was shopping at my sister's closet. It's a store here in Arizona, and lo and behold, there is the wrap that I wanted. And so I bought it for $19.99, and I've been using it as a robe and a wrap just throughout my house. So I've worn it every night, and it's worked perfectly. So I just washed it up, and the softness, it's just as soft as ever, and I've loved it. So now I decided I needed a longer robe. It's gotten a little chilly, below, you know, 60 around here, 50, and that's cold for Arizonans. So I wanted a robe, and then I ended up purchasing this robe. And again, it's by Barefoot Dreams, and the reason that I loved it, well, after using the wrap, is because it's not like a big fluffy plush robe that restricts my movement when I'm cooking, because I'm going to wear this all day if I'm not going anywhere. And it's just perfect. It's heavy enough, but the fabric is lightweight enough to have flexibility to move around and fry that bacon or whatever it is that you need to do with it. So no, I paid a little bit over $100, but I'm going to get my cost per use because I am going to use this for years to come. It's great quality, and look for Barefoot Dreams, whether you're in the thrift store or if you want to shop Nordstrom. That's up to you, even Nordstrom Rack. But it's one of my favorite things, and if you get one, you're going to love it for years to come. Thank you for watching. A goal of mine in 2018 is to make more videos, so I promise you'll be seeing more videos of my favorite things, things that I have thrifted, more milk glass videos. You guys seem to like those, to see my collection, which I've added more in 2018. But so just maybe some more home tours and whatever it is that you guys like, I'm up for it. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'm the Goodwill Gal. Take care.